What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. Yes, I know it's been a while, but it's been a rough couple of weeks. Like maybe I'm going to say the last month or so, it's been extremely rough, trust me. With the move to this new base, well, not only the move, I was going to school, well, I'm still going to school, but the move and doing school at the same time, it's been extremely busy. So I haven't had much time to do anything. Like, to show you how busy it has been, there were times where I was going to bed at like midnight and well, not even midnight. There was one day specifically where I went to bed at 2 something in the morning and was back up at 5. So I wasn't getting much sleep at all. So I didn't have time to make any videos or anything. Even the last video that I uploaded, that was a video that I recorded a while back. And I have videos that I recorded that I haven't uploaded, but haven't had time to edit anything either. So it's been busy, but we're at the new base. Been here a week, and to be honest, I'm not sure how we feel about this location as yet, because we've only been here a week, like I said. So it's not long enough to make judgment, you know. So hard to make the correct judgment. It's not been long enough. So I think maybe a month or so into it, then we'll probably have a better opinion of the place and thing. But for now, we're just here going through the motions. We're only going to be here 3 years, so we'll make it work. You know? There's nothing we can really do because we're here. We're stuck. So until this assignment is over, there's nothing we can do. But honestly speaking, just from first impressions and everything, I think we prefer Illinois just a little bit more than Utah, because Utah is like is the desert, whole heap of mountains. It look like a pure sun and stuff like that, but it'll be alright. You know? But I mean, I don't let things that I cannot change bother me like that. So, you know. Besides, I've been doing this for 12 years. Been in the military 12 years. So, used to it by now, you know. Sorry, fam. Yeah, used to it by now. But hopefully after this, we only have, I'm going to say, one more move. After this assignment, then we'll move. Hopefully it's somewhere that we really like. Georgia. If it's Georgia, then that would be amazing, because we will just retire there. If not, then we have 2 more moves in our future. But I hope you guys will enjoy the little snippet. It's really just I just did some videos of the different areas while driving here. Hopefully you guys enjoy it. Yeah. But don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. You know what I'm saying? And don't worry, the videos will be coming soon. I mean, whoa. Yeah. The videos won't be coming as frequent as before, just because our furniture is not even here yet. We won't be getting our furniture until the end of August. They're short drivers and stuff like that, so that's another thing. Military movers, well, it's not, the movers are not in the military, but It's moving companies hired by the military. They're short on drivers because of Corona and things. So yeah. But anyway, I'll leave the video right here. Like I said, hopefully you guys enjoy the tour and whatnot. And until next time, peace out. One last time in this house. Everything I echo. Kitchen. Don't know. Half bathroom. Shoe closet and thing. Bam. That's my uniform, military uniform. Living room, gone through, and then upstairs. But not going upstairs right now because everything done clean. And I don't want to go back up there, so yeah.
Continue on I-70 West for 3/4 of a mile.
No, look at sights, no down here, sir. Pierre Bush. Not even know what part with it. I think we're still in Kansas. No, look at sights. Terrence are off a road. Nebraska time. Pure bush. Not even phone for me not even signal for me phone. Me over this, me just want to reach somewhere and stop. Me hate to sit down in a car for hours. I just want to reach somewhere and stop. Almost 10 hours driving. Guys, check this out. Pure bush. Me over this, man. No look at scenery or nothing. Brother, I want to tell you, not even signal you can't ask for around here, so. Me have T-Mobile phone and a Viro wireless or something like that up on my phone. What's it? Over this. Nebraska full of like a bush though. Don't tell a lie. Okay guys, this is what Iowa looks like. Pure bush. Yep, hopefully soon we see some city. Even though in the city traffic strong, so we don't necessarily want the city, but at least some sites before people drop asleep. But yeah. for you. Hills and valleys. You know, me I tell you, we they very close to Utah, that's why you see all of them now. Because Utah full of this. Yes. A earphone? Okay, I apologize then. We soon stop take pictures.
It's my
I don't know who. Backside. Okay guys, check out the windshield. Yep, the bugs them gone. Well, drive look a bit on the yesterday start licky back. Oh, you're taking a picture? Okay. Drive a Ferrari. We know where to park it. Definitely can't drive no Ferrari down the flipping hill here. Well, I wouldn't drive my Ferrari down the hill here. We left good Jamaica. I'm coming to Utah hills and valleys. Well, at Wyoming we still. In the hills and valleys. Okay guys. Here we are again, Wednesday morning. Bright and early, back on the road. We're almost almost there though. We have 2.5 hours and then we're at the new base. Yep. Highly them heavy of heart.
Take exit 168.